So I'm here with Chris from Smart USA.
Yeah, actually I'm with Mercedes-Benz Research North America. We worked with Smart USA and Smart in Germany to develop this application. It's called Smart Drive. It's a small, almost a head unit in an iPhone application. And we've got some hardware in the vehicle that really brings this whole thing together, and it really functions as a radio for the car. I'm actually going to need the keys to go further. But I should point out that this is not just for the eDrive. This is available for any 4.2.
Ah, okay.
So we have an emphasis really on some media and entertainment applications. We can play the music that's on the iPhone. I think that's not very surprising, by playlist, artist, album, etc. So I'm not going to do that. But internet radio, this is where it gets interesting. People with the iPhone have frequently already paid for data, and this is a great way to use it to really bring something fresh to the car.
So SWRC,
we've got telephony, and I want to point out the app is the software piece. This is in the App Store for €9.99. But really, this thing comes to life when you have this integration kit and this cradle. And what a lot of people don't see is that if you look up here, we have an external microphone. This kit adds a full hands-free calling feature, and so that works with the application. So if I want to, say, call myself, I can do that, and we get the audio through the vehicle entertainment system. Of course, we are demonstrating here, and that's a great segue. Thank you for bringing it up. We're demonstrating our electric drive integration, and this is a preview. Everything I've done so far is available in the product today that's on the App Store. This is the one piece that we're demonstrating right now that's a little bit new, and this is demonstrating how we can use an application like this to really kind of provide additional value to customers with this electric drive. So we're basically demonstrating that we can monitor the vehicle's charging. And so this is a mock-up because this vehicle is not actually plugged in right now. The infrastructure isn't all set up here, but this kind of shows you, well, what can we do with this application? And I think our favorite feature is, and this is an attempt to kind of address that persistent fear people have about not being able to get where they want to go. And not really having that knowledge. If you say, I want to go 60 miles right here, this is our interactive visualization tool. Whoops, and I missed. Trying to get this perfect. You can see that we now need 71%.
Yeah, so you can plan your trip.
Exactly. Now we can say, well, this is when I can leave. It's 1:27 p.m.
Car locator.
We have what we call maps, and this is a low-cost application. We're in the App Store right now. I should point out at €9.99, and then the US is $9.99. And so at that price, what we do is we provide a map of the area around the car. So this is pannable, zoomable, etc. But this is just showing where you are and what's around you. The idea being that we really want to provide something similar to Google Maps, because this is a safe, driver-friendly interface, and we don't want users to quit and have to run Google. So we provide the map, and we also provide, at this price point, a local search. And this is pretty cool. I'll show you. We're actually, I should point out, using map data that's in the iPhone. So, even if you don't have a data connection, this continues to work. And I just did a POI search for coffee shops around our location. Again, this used onboard Navtech POI data, but there's something more. We have a Bing connected local search. And if you were looking at the results, you'll see here we had, results kind of within hundreds of feet to tenths of the mile. If we go to Bing, you can see we have much richer, denser search results. And so that's the advantage. You kind of get the best of both worlds. If you have no data connection, you get the onboard. Offboard, you can use Bing and get better, more real-time results.
You talked about the car locator?
The car locator, this is one of our favorite features. We call it Car Finder, and what's unique here, you'll see it right here under our assist menu, is that we are an application that's running pretty much anytime the customer's in the car. So you'll find a lot of Car Finder applications for various phones, but as a standalone application, the customer has to think and remember, well, I'm getting out of the car, I need to get my phone out of the pocket, I need to run the Car Finder application, and I need to wait for it to figure out where I am, and then I need to remember to save the location. So we have a really cool advantage here. We've got the phone running, the application running, the GPS is already spun up. You can see we already have a very nice high quality position. And the best part is, this is what I love about this product, is that we are integrated with the vehicle. So if I turn the key off down here, this app sees that. The app sees that I've turned the car off, and we can save the location. So you can see, of course, we're doing all these demos around this restaurant here. We are already parked at this restaurant, and that's pretty much accurate. And let's say you're at a big parking lot, say a mall or a big sporting event. You've got the sea of cars. You can actually pretty much see your car painted into the spot on Google Maps here with the satellite view.
Yeah.
So it's a really,
Cool.
it's a cool experience.
A little view in the future, we heard about the preconditioning feature.
Yep.
So will it be possible in the future that I can say, okay, I'm in the kitchen now, I have my coffee, and via my iPhone I say the car preheat to 25 degrees Celsius or cool down to 18 in the summer, and I get into a preconditioned car via the app?
We haven't announced the feature. I think it's something we definitely want to do. I should point out that even right now the car comes with a little key fob. I don't know if they mentioned this earlier, but it's down here attached to the keys. You can do it right now by remote control, precondition the car. I think it's very likely that we're going to add this to the application. We just haven't done it yet.
Okay. Okay. Chris, thank you very much. Now we will take a ride with the car.
Awesome.